I'm V and this is the Ratcheting Raven. Let's put a new battery in the 370. Okay, so to start, this comes out. This trim piece isn't really connected, which is convenient for me. Pop this seal off. Yes, cut the zip ties. I'll cut the zip ties that are holding it together. So now this piece is out. And then this piece will also slide out. If you're replacing your battery and you don't have the super high-tech zip ties, you would have something like this that hold the panels in place. In that case, screwdriver, pop the top up and pull it out. Okay, so first I have these two 10mm nuts that have to come off to get the brace off. There's one. There's two. This brace pops up like that. Okay, so next, disconnect the terminals. I've already loosened the nuts. It's 10mm, negative first, then the positive. Then to get the battery out, new battery. Reconnect the positive, reconnect the negative. Okay, that's on there. Okay, that's on there. Good. So next is reinstalling this brace, which goes like this. Then this other side had this little hook. Oh, that's cute. I have no idea where that went. At this point, I have not a clue. Oh, I kind of see it. I found it. Okay, so as I was saying, this little hook goes here. This goes through there. Now you put the trim pieces back in. If yours has panel clips, then obviously put those back in place. I do not. So that's one less step I have to do. The seal snaps back down into place like that. I'm not going to be putting the high-tech zip ties back into place. I'm just going to leave those optional for now. Battery cover. Back in place. Here's the battery that I took out. As you can see, it is pretty old. So, new battery in the Z. Let's see what comes up next. Later.